happening today at the Elgin Winter Garden Theater. Got the premiere of Melissa McCarthy's new movie, Can You Ever Forgive Me? Now, Melissa McCarthy is like funny woman, alright? Now, Can You Ever Forgive Me is basically about a journalist that basically gets caught in a scandal about documenting other people. Basically what you like to call sexual assault allegations back in the day. Now, over the years, Mr. McCarthy has produced many R-rated material on comedy. Alright. Such work include basically The Boss and Identity Thief. Yeah. Some more excitement. Yeah.